Hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. Not in today's newspaper of Saturday, yes. Saturday, April the 2nd. No, it's not in this in this newspaper, but it's in the yesterday's newspaper of Friday, April the 1st, April Fool's Day, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two star Sudoku, and it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. In today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper. Tomorrow on Sunday, we have also no newspaper. On that day, I will do the rest of the puzzles of the not in the yesterday's newspaper, but the day before yesterday's newspaper, the Thursday's edition. Okay, this one is the 4352, number 4352. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. One single box, always a 1. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? No dual boxes. I see triple boxes, 2 of them. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Here also a triple box. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. Do not know in which order. When you see a triple box, the inside box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the inside box, or the middle, the box near the middle box, that's that box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, it cannot be a 4 anymore. We have a 4 there, so it must be the 5. Okay. Triple box. Do we have quadra boxes here? I see here 1 quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. And I do not know the other numbers. Need more information. Okay, then the next stage, next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. All right, let me see. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Then we have an L shape here, the L shape. Let me draw. Oh, wait, we have more of these kind of shapes. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another 1 upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The L shape. Upside down, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. More L shapes here. Rotated. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another 1. This box has the same number as that box. See? It's correct. The 1. Okay. More of the L shapes? No. Then the following shape, the last shape or figure in this puzzle. This one. This one is difficult to draw. Let me put it here. Well, when you see this kind of shape, Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 of them. We have 3 out of 6. Maximum is 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. Why? The question is why you need to recognize. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be 2. These 2 boxes cannot be 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 3. But we already have a 3 there, so it cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. So I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Okay. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 5. These 2 boxes can be 1. And these 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Okay. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Then this box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. We have a double three here. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes then. So the only place left for the 3 should be here in this area. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Of course, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this quadra box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. The other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. And this box should be a 4. Okay. Let me think. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. Then let me think. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. Then. Let me think. Oh, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. Here we have 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, overlooked this 3, so no 3 here, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Okay, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4, now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2, 3 and 2. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5, it goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes for a 1-star puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, aka samurai Sudoku. I have all those playlists. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. We will meet again tomorrow. Yes, on Sunday. I will finish the additional of the Thursday edition. Yes, the Thursday edition. I will continue. Until then, bye bye for now.